Meanwhile, a demographic time bomb has become the latest concern for the Chinese regime. The elderly population in the country is rapidly increasing. The National Pension Fund is rapidly depleting. The fertility rates are at an all-time low. China is encouraging couples to have more babies, but the Chinese workforce is getting smaller by the day. The Communist Party is now mulling increasing the retirement age as a one-shot solution for all these problems. But this idea has triggered outrage even before it gets implemented. Take a look.
For more than 4 decades, China's retirement age has remained unchanged. 60 years for men and 55 years for women civil servants and white-collar workers. But the Chinese regime is facing what experts call a demographic time bomb. Its elderly population is increasing, while its workforce is getting smaller by the day, thanks to the now scrapped one-child policy. In 2018, nearly 250 million of China's 1.4 billion people were aged 60 or above. This figure is expected to increase to 300 million by 2025 and to 400 million by 2035. The Chinese population is growing fast. Postponing retirement is being seen as the only solution. And the Communist Party has unveiled its plan to do so in a gradual manner. No specifics have been given, but observers expect the retirement age to increase by at least 5 years. The plan has already sparked outrage on Chinese social media. Chinese citizens say the decision will only adversely impact the health of the elderly and will not lead to any economic development. But the fact is, China is desperate. There is another reason why it wants to postpone retirement. The National Pension Fund of China is running out of money. Businesses have either reduced their contribution or stopped contributing to provincial pension funds during the Wuhan virus pandemic. Reports say the state pension fund could run dry by 2035. Those born in the 1980s could become the first generation in modern China to get no pension when they retire. Adding to the worries is the rapidly declining fertility rate in China. In 2019, the number of newborns in China fell to 14.6 million, a decrease of 580,000 from 2018. And this year, China's birth rate dropped to the lowest level since 1949. The number of births per 1,000 people declined to 10, the lowest level on record. The options before the Chinese regime are limited. The demographic time bomb is ticking. Making the elderly work for longer seems to be the only way out. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.